Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at a two-seater, which was the last time the American car manufacturers made one of those was 1957. I'll tell you the story in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, where we have close to 100 cars, trucks, resto mods, classics, always available for your viewing pleasure at any time. You can visit us on our website to see everything at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, or you can come and look at it in person, such as what I'm going to tell you about our latest acquisition here. This is the first one of these I've ever had for sale. That tells you that something that these are pretty few and far between. This is a 1969 American Motors AMX. As I mentioned in the preview, it's the first all-steel-bodied two-seater car built since 1957 when the Minibird Thunderbirds came into existence in 55, 6, and 7. So this is a really, really special little car. Lots of motor, a lot of get up and go, and the car doesn't weigh a whole heck of a lot. This is a really nice example right here. It does have the upgraded 390 V8, so you've got over 315 horsepower under the hood of a very light car. Now, whoever ordered this car ordered it really nice. It's a beautiful color. The orange look to the car is a beautiful paint, base coat, clear coat, has of course almost brand new radial tires with the rally wheels with the beauty rings. The chrome on the car is very nice. The fit is really nice on this car as well. The other interesting thing, look at the black stripe. I mean, that is just absolutely looks like something that you would see in Road America, or a race type setup. Very, very nicely done. And as I said, it is a two-seater car that, was something that American Motors was trying to be competitive out there against. What other two-seater car was made in America? Of course, the all-fiberglass Corvette, whereas this was, of course, an all-steel body. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, center console, automatic. In 1968 was the first year for the AMX. This is 1969, which they made a few nice improvements, one of which was it has a 140-mile-an-hour speedometer. Don't know if you're supposed to be going quite that fast out there, but it is still was an upgrade to 140 miles an hour. Also, the factory tach is also in place and working. Like I said, there's nothing in the back seat. It just has the two seats in the front, of course, dual exhaust coming out the back. It's just one of those cars that I just have never had many opportunities to find or to sell. So if you're looking for something that not everybody else has, I mean, American Motors, I think, has been always kind of the underdog, but I think what we're seeing, we're going to start to see these cars start to do this in the very near future. So as I said, you can look at all our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Make us a favorite. Lots of interesting stories, lots of cars, lots of stories that you can preview at that site as well. And also you can come and visit us. I know it's Minnesota winter, but it's a nice, warm, heated environment right here. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4. Love to have you come on in, take a look. There's always something here new and exciting. Make us a favorite to catch all the newest and latest inventory that comes in all the time. Thanks for visiting. See you next time.